Hey, what's going on, everybody? Happy Monday, end of March, first day of virtual math. I don't know if you guys got a chance to see our little music video yesterday, but needless to say, we're going to be famous in no time. So now you can say you knew that Mr. Berman and some of those other teachers before everybody did. Jokes aside, I'm not that funny. Let's get to math. Page 18. First thing I want you to do, if you haven't done so, is just kind of read the paragraph I wrote on Google Classroom. What I'll do is I'll always brief you on what we're doing for that particular day, and then I'll have a video and you just follow the numbers 1 through, I think it's 4 this time, and you'll be good. It shouldn't take you more than 25 minutes, and all you have to do is go ahead and make sure you click that you've finished the assignment, and I'll put that right in my grade book as a check, and you can move on to Tuesday. All right, so now that we have no jokes to tell about each other, let's dive right into math. On page 18, what we're going to do is we're going to look at 3 questions. And what I'd like you to do is pause when I tell you to pause so you can try the next question. And there are a few ways to do these questions, so you don't always have to do them my way. But my way, sometimes if you just listen and you kind of go through the motions, it might make it easier later on. But again, remember, there's so many different ways to get where you need to get in math, and that's why I love it so much. All right, so let's take a look at this first example. It says Joseph and his 4 friends had a garage sale to help pay for their choir trip. They divided their total earnings so that each person had $37. How much was the total earnings from the garage sale? All right, so real quick, I know that Joseph and 4 friends, well, that's 5 people total. And it says here that 5 people each made $37. So the easy way is if one person made $37, the second person made another $37, you could go all the way to 5 people and you could put them all together. Think about it, 37 5 times. So go ahead, show your math. What is 37 times 5? I got $185 that they earned at their garage sale. Now it does ask for an equation here. So what we'd want to do is we'd want to write 37 times 5. I guess equals, we could go with T for total earnings if you want. And the answer, I always want to circle it, is 185. Now this could be done using a one-step equation as well. So if you think about it here, they made a total amount at their garage sale, and they divided it by 5 people, and each person made $37. Now you have a one-step equation like we did before the break. So you would go ahead and use inverse operations. This fraction line is a division line, so the inverse of dividing is multiplication. These cancel each other out. T is isolated. 37 times 5 is $185. Either way is awesome. Now, before we go on and you try one, I want to know if all that work was worth it. Are my answers reasonable? So $185, let's think about that. $185, and the 5 friends divided it equally. So we know each of these kids are going to make less than $185. We know the number's getting smaller. So if we take 185 and we divide it by 5, go ahead, grab your calculators. 185 divided by 5 is $37. So I might write a sentence here. I checked by dividing $185 divided by 5 people, and I got $37. All right. So again, notice we could have done it either way. Now, I want you to pause this when I say pause, and I want you to try the next question about Ryan. All right? Hit pause and give it a shot. When you're done with the problem, unpause it, and let's see how you did.